Hey guys, it's your destiny. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be filming a little differently. I kind of wanted to create a series on my channel, and I've been really unhappy about my weight, basically, and I don't really know how else to explain the way I feel other than I just hate the way I look. I have been feeling so down on myself lately about how much weight that I've gained, and I used to weigh, well, reverse backtrack, I was super on track with my fitness and eating right, and then there was just one day where I lost control. Not I lost, I kind of stopped caring about what I ate. And in one of my videos, I think it was my 10 facts about me video, where I mentioned I lost 56 pounds, and I was in the 130 range of weight. I was like the happiest at that weight. I was really confident, and my clothes that I wore, I didn't feel gross. I didn't feel like I had to hide. And so my boyfriend had this really good idea about updating you guys on my progress, and I really wanted to film what I eat, how my workouts, and just my overall progress throughout the weeks. And I'm thinking about making it a series on my channel, and showing you like how much weight I lost, or what I eat in a day, or stuff like that. Like, I think it'd be really interesting to see where that takes me, and how long it'll take me to improve on myself. I gained like 30 pounds, and like I want to get back at where I was, and I want to feel confident again in my own skin, and I just don't feel that way anymore. And you can kind of tell, like, in my videos, that I did gain a little bit of weight, but it's not like crazy drastic. It's you can see it in my arms and my cheeks a little bit. But if you were to look back at my old videos, I had really skinny arms. They weren't really skinny, but they were like, toned. They were in shape. I guess you could say I was looking good. And I want to get back to where I was again, and I want to what's the word? I want to film my progress and update you guys on my journey to weight loss, I guess, and show you the real and raw side of losing weight, I guess. Like, I'll probably take you on like my shopping adventures at the grocery store, or what I'm cooking for dinner, or I don't know how it's gonna be, but I do want to like make videos like that and show you how much progress I've made. So that will be the start of this series. And I don't know if I'm gonna put just this video up on YouTube, but I do want to include the video I'm making right now. So the video you're watching, I want this to be the start of a new beginning, I guess you could say. Like, yeah. So I really I wanna make it work. I wanna change my I don't know, like, I don't know how to word it. It's just I'm not good at wording things. It's just really frustrating because of how I've been feeling, and you know, I really want to change that about myself. I want to make a difference in the way I feel about myself, because I don't feel great at all. I feel shitty, I feel fat, I feel overweight even though I'm not. It's just I have fat to lose in a way, and it's just like I want you guys to see that part of me, I guess. I want you guys to, I don't know, go with me on this journey, see how long it takes me. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but yeah, but let this be the start of a new beginning. So I don't know if my eyes are looking that way, this way, that way. Like, I can't help but look at the little screen that flips up. It's really hard not to, and I look ugly right now. You can like see all my imperfections, like, oh, okay. I don't know why I'm showing you that, but still, I just wanted to film this video while it's fresh in my brain, and yeah, I wanted to make it a thing, you know, see how it goes, and yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in the next clip or in the next video, who knows, but yeah. Alright, bye guys.